So today I'm at the grocery store. I'm gonna show you guys in a sec how to shop for your baking goods. Baking goods that are gluten-free, dairy-free, that's better for you, that's healthier for you to cook with. So stay tuned. In a minute I'll show you guys where all the organic baking items are in a sec. Okay?
In the Stater Brothers, we have a huge organic baking section. I haven't seen it. Most grocery stores don't have this big section. They just have like a few little items on the top shelf. Anyways, this is the organic stuff. So what you want to look for is these right here, like the red Bob's Red Hill. So you have like brown rice flour, and see you have like tapioca flour. I have that at home. Let me see if they have any almond flour. Anyways, as you can see, they have the organic bread mix, dark rye mix, organic cornmeal. Let's see, brown rice potato. Okay. So you have the bread mix too. Anyways, you guys, so what you want to do is look for the organic baking section, or like I said, Stater Brothers have this. Most grocery stores I go to, I don't really see this big section here. That's why I come here, because there's more variety here. So things you want to bake with, you want to look for non-aluminum baking powder. You know, you want to buy the good flour. Like I said, Bob's Red Hill is what you definitely want to look for. So just wanted to show you guys quickly where I get my organic baking items from. So there you go.